I'm happy to have presented at ASCO 2024 the results of a Phase 1b, Phase 2 clinical trial conducted in a single center here at the National Cancer Institute of Milan. This trial investigated the role of an EP4 antagonist in combination with immunotherapy in patients with the proficient mismatch repair or macrosatellite stable refractory metastatic colorectal cancer. So basically, vorbipripirant is an EP4 inhibitor antagonizing the prostaglandin E2 receptor, and it may synergize with immunotherapy, so turning cold tumors into hot ones. So based on the biological rationale, this trial investigated different doses of vorbipripirant in combination with the PD-1 inhibitor balstilimab. And so the 90 milligrams twice daily dose of vorbipripirant was selected for further investigation. And the preliminary activity results of the trial showed a very promising overall response rate and disease control in this heavily pretreated patients population, and basically the overall response rate exceeded 15%, and the overall response rate exceeded 15%, and disease control rate exceeded 50%. So these results are quite promising given the heavily pretreated patient population. So this combination is for sure safe, since no major grade 3 or more adverse events, treatment-related adverse events were observed. We know that the safety profile of EP4 inhibitors is characterized by the potential occurrence of duodenal ulcers, but with prophylactic use of proton pump inhibitors, we didn't observe major safety findings. So the combination has a manageable safety profile, and based on the results, for sure, this combination will be investigated in colorectal cancer as well in other solid tumors. Thank you very much for your kind attention.